Hi there, I'm here to give you your Module 6 overview this week. This week we're going to be working with Collage, which is cut and pasted paper. We gave you a magazine at the beginning of the semester that you can use for this exercise if you are at home. If you are at school, you can actually just use another magazine that we have in class. If you want to bring back the same magazine that we told you to take home, you're welcome to do that, but you don't need to if you don't want to clutter up extra space in your book bag. So the first exercise you're going to do this week is a surreal collage. You're going to need drawing paper, a magazine, scissors, glue stick, and a messy mat. So Miss Braun and I both have scrap papers in our room for you to put on your table. So that way when you are gluing, that glue stick can run onto the scrap piece of paper and not onto our tables. So you'll just kind of follow along in this video and I will explain how to cut with good craftsmanship and what pieces you need to look for in your magazines to smush together. So that probably won't take too terribly long. Pixlr is sort of like Canva, but what you're going to do is take your surreal collage from the last section of this module and then edit it in Pixlr, similar to how you worked with your watercolor in Canva last week, but this time we're using your collage in Pixlr. So Pixlr is probably brand new for a lot of you. It's very similar to Photoshop, but I will, hold your hand and take you through step by step so that way you hopefully don't get lost along the way. But we're just going to do some really basic things with Pixlr. The next activity you will do is a gradient collage with Miss Braun, and she's going to show you how to arrange cut pieces of paper in order of the analogous colors. So you get to choose an analogous color scheme of colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, and you will arrange those pieces the way that she shows you in the video. And we will also be giving you an envelope for this part because you're probably going to want something to help you organize pieces as you cut them out if you don't get them glued on right away. And then the next thing and the last activity, this has 4 activities this week that you'll be doing. It's a pretty simple but nice mosaic type design that you're going to create out of cut shapes from your magazines. So there are 4 activities this week, a surreal collage. Then you're going to submit the PNG or JPEG file of your edited collage from Pixlr. Then you're going to submit a picture of your gradient collage, and then you will submit this 4th activity, which is your mosaic. You'll notice that they are all worth different points, so you might want to pay attention to which ones you get more points for. Basically the ones that are going to take longer, which are the 2nd and 3rd exercises. Those are each worth an extra 5 points. All right, so have fun this week, and we can't wait to see what you make.